Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all students? I hope you are all fine. Today we will start timeline of history of class 6. And we will start from unit number 2, first inventions, and chapter 4, brick making. Okay students, what is a brick? Brick is a kind of building material, and bricks are produced by mixing ground clay with water, forming the clay into the desired shape, and drying and firing. In ancient times, all molding was performed by hand. The bricks are building materials which are generally available as rectangular blocks. The bricks do not require any dressing, and brick laying is very simple compared to stone masonry. What are the uses of bricks? Bricks are usually used for the construction of walls of any size. Bricks are also used for the construction of floors, for the construction of arches and cornices, and construction of brick retaining wall. Broken bricks of required size to use as an aggregate in concrete. Manufacture of powdered bricks to be used in lime plaster and lime concrete. So, among the long-lasting building materials, bricks are one of the oldest materials and are in use even today. For any type of construction, normally a huge quantity is needed. Now, we will discuss kinds of bricks. Traditionally, there are mainly two kinds of bricks: fired bricks and non-fired bricks. First of all, I am going to discuss fired bricks. Fired bricks are the strongest and go back to thousands of years to the times of the Indus Valley civilization in present-day Pakistan and some parts of India around 3500 BC. The Indus Valley civilization, one of the most advanced civilization of its time, utilized fired bricks to do most of its constructions. So a fire brick is a special type of a brick made using fire clay and has a good resistance against high temperatures, which are used in kilns, lining furnaces, fireplaces and fireboxes. These bricks are manufactured in a way similar to that of normal bricks, except during the burning process, fire bricks are exposed to very high temperatures. The Indus Valley civilization designed its cities on a grid and used mud and fired bricks for constructing its houses, pavements, roads, and public baths. Non-fired bricks. Non-fired bricks are also called mud bricks, are made using mud and then air dried before use. These types of bricks also need straw to be put between them to stick them together when they are used in construction. The pre- and ancient Indus Valley civilization also utilized mud bricks for construction. Okay, a mud brick is made up of a mixture of loam, which is a mixture of soil, clay, silt, mud, sand and water. The mixture of all these materials is called a mixture of loam, mixed with a binding material like rice husk or straw. In warm regions like the Indus Valley, Bricks were generally sun dried. Brick makers extend the life of mud bricks by putting fired bricks on top or covering them with stucco, which is a kind of plaster. I hope you understand well about the brick making. Thank you.